All right. Hello, wonderful Walker family. I wanted to do another video of one of the experiments that I've been posting, an experiment of the day, and I was kind of curious to try some of them myself. So I've been kind of working my way through them. Today I wanted to show you what I did with the cleaning of the pennies one, but I changed it a little bit. The cleaning of the pennies one that was on the Canvas page was, I believe, using, oh gosh, I forget what, was it hot sauce or taco sauce or something, I think maybe, to clean the pennies. So I did hot sauce, lime juice, and then I actually did baking soda and vinegar. So I have this hot sauce, and I just chose this one out of my refrigerator because it doesn't have a label. So honestly, I don't know if it's like a chipotle. I don't think it's well, I don't know. Some sort of red pepper base, I don't think, because it's green. I don't know if it's a chipotle. I'm not really sure what it was, but I figured I'm probably going to throw it away anyways because I don't know what it is, so I might as well use it. But I know that there's going to be a lot of vinegar in it. I know it's going to be pretty acidic. Same with lemon juice here. These have been soaking all night. So I have this lemon juice, so I really just took an actual lemon and I just cut it and I just squeeze it right on there. I haven't scrubbed them or rubbed them or anything. They've just been sitting overnight in this lemon juice. Lemon juice is extremely acidic as well. And then I put baking soda in the bottom of this, and then I put vinegar on top. I think I did a tablespoon of each. And there was the reaction, and then obviously once the reaction stops and the bubbles stop, it's just now a solution of the baking soda powder and the vinegar. Again, I haven't scrubbed any of these. I've really just kind of shaken them just a couple of times. So I'm thinking what I should do is just pull the pennies out and dip them in water and then maybe just rub them with a clean, soft cloth. And then I'll put them on a white paper towel so that you can see the difference between the white and the pennies. This experiment is really to show something called oxidation. It's when things are exposed to oxygen, hence oxidation, and the changing of colors. And you may be familiar with this with, I think rust is a type of oxidation, as well as the Statue of Liberty oxidizes. There's also brass will oxidize, and you'll have to, I don't know if your parents ever have to polish the brass. And a lot of times, well, at least in my house when I was growing up, we would use ketchup because ketchup is vinegar based. So if you can kind of catch on here to this trend of vinegar and acid, lemon being citric acid. I know that vinegar is acidic, and then I believe that this is like sodium bicarbonate. So if I would have rubbed with, maybe like a toothbrush or something, I probably would have had a little bit more success. It's not a whole lot of cleanliness with the vinegar and baking soda. I mean, they're cleaner, but I'm not super happy with that one. Maybe I should have made a paste out of the baking soda and scrubbed. I'm not really sure, but those are down there, and I'll show you those in just a minute. And then here I had the lemon juice. Again, I didn't scrub these at all. They've just been sitting. I probably should have buffed or scrubbed or something, but we'll see. Rinse those off a little bit. This is just some warm water. And I'll put those down here. So hopefully you guys are maybe getting a chance to do some of these or have some fun. I know right now it's been a lot of kitchen science. It's been a lot of what's in the kitchen, what's in the pantry type of thing, which doesn't always have to be. Like I'm going to make a barometer later, and that isn't at all kitchen science. But a lot of it's been kitchen science things, just because when you look at Pinterest or you Google at-home science experiments, for some odd reason, a lot of times that's what comes up is this kitchen science type stuff, as opposed to like physics or I guess I could maybe do the egg drop challenge. I could try to build some sort of absorbent structure to protect an egg and drop it. Maybe I'll do that. All right. So here is the lemon juice, and it actually was a little bit more successful. I also should probably take into consideration, though, the year of the pennies and how old the pennies were, and I don't know, maybe even possibly where they were minted. I don't know. There's Pennsylvania and Delaware, I think. So there was that. There's the 4 pennies from the lemon juice. And then this is the hot sauce. I'm gonna pull this out. Give these a good rinse. Ooh, that one's kind of yucky. All right. And again, I don't know if there would be a difference between like a habanero-based hot sauce or a chipotle type based hot sauce, jalapeno, there's serrano, but those aren't super hot. So I don't know that how acidic those would be. And I also just wonder sometimes if the hot sauce itself could be considered a cleaner because it is vinegar based as well. So, I mean, some salad dressings are, but they're less vinegar. And there's vinegar based versus milk based, like a ranch dressing versus a balsamic vinaigrette. This one's not the greatest. I think probably the lemon juice was the best. And again, I probably would have been more successful had I scrubbed a little bit, but I really didn't want to have to put in, the manpower. I wanted to see what would just happen if any of this oxidation could be reversed just with simple soaking. I thought about using regular Coke because I've read that you could put regular Coke in, say, like a toilet bowl and let it sit there for a little while, and then you can scrub it. And I guess there's a lot of acidic qualities in Coca-Cola, but we don't drink a whole lot of soda around here, and so I had diet, but I don't believe that would have done the same thing. So here we go. We have the baking soda and vinegar, the lemon juice, and then the random hot sauce, and I can show you what they all look like. Whoops. Okay. So right there, over on this side, the furthest one over, we have the baking soda vinegar. In the middle, we have the lemon juice. And then on this side, we've got the hot sauce. So I'm going to move it around just a couple of different ways just to see if the light can hit on it anyway, and you can see which ones look the cleanest versus not. And I still think that maybe the middle with the lemon juice was probably the best. And that probably was the most acidic, actually. I would have to look at the pH of vinegar versus citrus. There we go. So that was the penny and oxidation experiment. So maybe you could try that even shoot me a video and let me know how it goes for you. All right? I'll make a new video here pretty shortly. Miss you guys. Bye.